Welcome to our deep dive into two of the most popular productivity tools for small businesses, Airtable and Notion. If you're a business owner or manager looking to streamline your operations, organize your data, or enhance team collaboration, you've probably come across these platforms. Today, we'll explore their features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which is the better fit for your small business needs. Let's start by understanding what each tool offers and how they can impact your daily workflow. Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. It allows users to organize information, automate workflows, and collaborate in real time. With customizable tables, rich field types, and integrations, Airtable is designed for teams that need flexibility and structure. Small businesses often use Airtable for project management, inventory tracking, CRM, and more. Its visual interface makes it easy to adapt to various business processes, offering a balance between ease of use and advanced functionality. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that brings together notes, documents, databases, and task management. It's known for its flexibility and intuitive design, allowing users to build custom pages, wikis, and project boards. Small businesses use Notion to centralize information, manage tasks, and foster collaboration. With its drag-and-drop interface and powerful templates, Notion adapts to a variety of workflows, from content planning to HR management. Its versatility makes it a favorite for teams seeking a unified platform for organization and productivity. While both Airtable and Notion offer robust solutions for small businesses, their core focus differs. Airtable excels in structured data management, making it ideal for businesses that need powerful databases and automation. Notion, on the other hand, shines in content creation and flexible organization, perfect for teams that value documentation and collaborative planning. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right tool for your business. Next, we'll break down their main features side by side. Airtable offers a range of features tailored for data-driven teams. Its spreadsheet-like interface supports rich field types, including attachments, checkboxes, and dropdowns. Automation tools allow users to trigger actions based on changes, and integrations connect Airtable with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. Views such as Grid, Calendar, and Kanban make it easy to visualize data. For small businesses, these features help streamline operations, track projects, and manage resources efficiently. Notion's features focus on flexibility and customization. Users can create databases, embed media, and build collaborative pages. Templates for meeting notes, project trackers, and knowledge bases make setup quick and easy. Notion's block-based editor allows for seamless rearrangement of content, and permissions ensure secure sharing. For small businesses, these features support centralized information, transparent communication, and adaptable workflows. Both Airtable and Notion are designed with user experience in mind, but their learning curves differ. Airtable's interface is familiar to anyone who's used spreadsheets, making it easy to get started. Notion's block-based system is intuitive, but may require some exploration to unlock its full potential. For small businesses, ease of use is crucial, as it affects adoption and productivity. We'll look at how each platform supports onboarding and everyday use. Customization is a major factor for small businesses with unique workflows. Airtable allows users to tailor tables, fields, and views to match their processes. Notion offers deep customization through templates, databases, and page layouts. Both platforms empower teams to build solutions that fit their needs, but the approach differs. Airtable focuses on structured data, while Notion emphasizes flexible content. Let's see how customization can drive efficiency. Collaboration is at the heart of both Airtable and Notion. Airtable enables real-time editing, commenting, and sharing, making it easy for teams to work together on projects. Notion's collaborative pages and permission settings foster transparent communication and teamwork. For small businesses, effective collaboration leads to better decision-making and faster execution. We'll examine how each platform supports team interaction. Automation can save small businesses valuable time. Airtable offers built-in automation tools that trigger actions based on data changes, such as sending notifications or updating records. Notion's automation capabilities are more limited, relying on integrations with external tools. For businesses seeking to automate repetitive tasks, Airtable provides a more robust solution. We'll explore examples of automation in both platforms. Integrations extend the functionality of both Airtable and Notion. Airtable connects seamlessly with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, enabling data flow across platforms. Notion supports integrations through APIs and third-party tools, but its ecosystem is less extensive. For small businesses, integrations can enhance productivity and simplify workflows. We'll compare the integration options available in each platform. Mobile access is essential for modern businesses. Airtable and Notion both offer mobile apps, allowing users to manage tasks, update records, and collaborate on the go. Airtable's app mirrors its desktop experience, while Notion's app provides a streamlined interface for quick edits and note-taking. For small businesses, mobile functionality ensures flexibility and responsiveness. We'll look at how each app supports productivity outside the office. Security is a top priority for small businesses handling sensitive data. Airtable offers robust security features, including encryption, user permissions, and audit logs. Notion also provides secure access controls and data protection measures. Both platforms comply with industry standards, ensuring your business information stays safe. We'll discuss the security features and best practices for each tool. Pricing is a critical consideration for small businesses. Airtable offers tiered plans, including a free version with limited features and paid options for advanced functionality. Notion's pricing is similarly structured, with free and premium plans. Both platforms provide value for money, but the cost may vary depending on your team, size, and feature requirements. We'll break down the pricing models and help you estimate potential expenses. Airtable's pricing starts with a free plan that includes basic features and limited records per base. Paid plans unlock more records, advanced automation, and priority support. For small businesses, the free plan may suffice for simple workflows, while growing teams may need to upgrade. It's important to assess your needs and budget before committing to a paid plan. We'll outline what each tier offers and who it's best suited for. Notion's pricing model offers a free plan with unlimited pages and blocks, making it accessible for small teams. Paid plans add features like version history, advanced permissions, and priority support. Notion's affordability and scalability make it attractive for startups and small businesses. We'll review the features included in each plan and discuss how to choose the right option for your business. User feedback provides valuable insights into real-world experiences. Airtable users praise its flexibility and powerful database features. But some mention a steeper learning curve for advanced functions. Notion users appreciate its intuitive design and customization, though they note occasional performance issues with large databases. We'll summarize common themes from user reviews to help you understand the strengths and challenges of each platform. Reliable customer support is essential for small businesses. Airtable offers email support, help center resources, and community forums. Notion provides similar support channels, including live chat for premium users. Both platforms have active user communities and extensive documentation. We'll explore the support options and how they contribute to a positive user experience. Templates can accelerate setup and standardize workflows. Airtable offers a library of templates for project management, CRM, and inventory tracking. Notion's template gallery includes options for notes, wikis, and task boards. Both platforms allow users to create and share custom templates, making it easy to adapt to specific business needs. We'll highlight popular templates and their benefits. Project management is a common use case for both Airtable and Notion. Airtable's grid and Kanban views help teams track tasks, deadlines, and progress. Notion's flexible pages and databases support project planning, documentation, and task assignment. For small businesses, effective project management tools can boost productivity and ensure timely delivery. We'll compare how each platform handles project workflows. Task management is vital for small teams. Airtable allows users to create task lists, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Notion's task boards and reminders help teams stay organized and focused. Both platforms support recurring tasks and progress tracking. We'll discuss how task management features can drive accountability and efficiency in your business. Knowledge management helps businesses retain and share information. Airtable can store structured data, while Notion excels at building knowledge bases and wikis. Notion's linking and search features make it easy to find and reference information. For small businesses, effective knowledge management supports training, onboarding, and decision-making. We'll look at how each platform handles information, storage, and retrieval. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, is crucial for growth. Airtable offers customizable CRM templates and database features for tracking leads, contacts, and sales. Notion can be adapted for CRM through databases and linked pages, but it's less specialized. For small businesses, choosing the right CRM tool can improve customer engagement and sales performance. We'll compare CRM capabilities in Airtable and Notion. Inventory tracking is essential for product-based businesses. Airtable's database structure and automation make it easy to monitor stock levels, reorder points, and supplier information. Notion can be used for inventory lists, but lacks advanced tracking features. For small businesses, Efficient inventory management prevents stockouts and optimizes supply chains. We'll review how each platform supports inventory tracking. Content planning is important for marketing and communication. Notion's flexible pages and templates make it easy to organize editorial calendars, brainstorm ideas, and track progress. Airtable can also be used for content planning, offering structured views and automation. For small businesses, effective content planning tools support consistent messaging and brand growth. We'll compare content planning features in both platforms. HR management is vital for small businesses. Notion's templates for onboarding, employee records, and policy documentation make HR tasks easier. Airtable can be used for tracking employee information and managing schedules. Both platforms support secure data storage and access controls. We'll discuss how HR management features can streamline hiring and employee management. Workflow automation can transform business operations. Airtable's automation tools trigger actions like sending emails, updating records, and integrating with other apps. Notion's automation relies on external integrations and manual processes. For small businesses, automating workflows reduces errors and saves time. We'll explore practical examples of workflow automation in both platforms. Data visualization helps businesses make informed decisions. Airtable offers multiple views, including grid, calendar, and Kanban, to visualize data. Notion supports tables and boards, but lacks advanced visualization options. For small businesses, clear data visualization can highlight trends and drive strategy. We'll compare the visualization features in Airtable and Notion. Efficient search functionality is crucial for finding information quickly. Airtable's search features help users locate records and data across bases. Notion's powerful search allows users to find pages, blocks, and linked content. For small businesses, fast search saves time and improves productivity. We'll review the search capabilities of each platform. Permissions and access controls protect sensitive business information. Airtable allows granular user permissions, controlling who can view or edit data. Notion offers flexible sharing and access settings for pages and databases. For small businesses, managing permissions ensures security and collaboration. We'll discuss how each platform handles access control. File attachments are important for sharing documents and resources. Airtable supports attachments in records, making it easy to link files to projects or contacts. Notion allows embedding files and media within pages. For small businesses, attaching files streamlines communication and centralizes resources. We'll compare file attachment features in Airtable and Notion. Notifications keep teams informed and responsive. Airtable sends notifications for changes, comments, and automation triggers. Notion provides notifications for mentions, updates, and reminders. For small businesses, timely notifications support accountability and quick action. We'll review how each platform handles notifications and alerts. User interface design affects usability and satisfaction. Airtable's interface is clean and familiar, resembling spreadsheets. Notion's interface is modern and minimalist, focusing on content blocks and navigation. For small businesses, a user-friendly interface encourages adoption and reduces training time. We'll compare the UI design of Airtable and Notion. The learning curve impacts how quickly teams can adopt new tools. Airtable is easy for spreadsheet users, but may require time to master advanced features. Notion's block-based system is intuitive, but its flexibility can be overwhelming at first. For small businesses, training and onboarding are important for successful implementation. We'll discuss the learning curve for each platform. Scalability ensures tools can grow with your business. Airtable supports increasing records, automation, and integrations as teams expand. Notion's unlimited pages and blocks make it suitable for growing content and collaboration needs. For small businesses planning for growth, scalability is a key consideration. We'll examine how each platform adapts to changing requirements. Export and import capabilities are important for data migration and backup. Airtable allows exporting data in CSV format and importing from spreadsheets. Notion supports exporting pages and databases, as well as importing from other tools. For small businesses, these features ensure data portability and continuity. We'll review export and import options in Airtable and Notion. API access enables custom integrations and automation. Airtable provides a robust API for developers to connect with other apps and build custom solutions. Notion's API is newer, but supports integration with external tools. For small businesses with technical resources, API access can unlock advanced functionality. We'll discuss API features and use cases. Community resources help users learn and solve problems. Airtable and Notion both have active user communities, forums, and online tutorials. These resources provide tips, templates, and troubleshooting support. For small businesses, community engagement can accelerate learning and improve outcomes. We'll highlight the value of community resources for each platform. Use cases illustrate how businesses apply these tools. Airtable is popular for project tracking, CRM, and inventory management. Notion is favored for knowledge bases, content planning, and team wikis. For small businesses, matching use cases to needs ensures the right tool selection. We'll showcase common use cases for Airtable and Notion. Every tool has limitations. Airtable's record limits and advanced features may require paid plans. Notion's performance can lag with large databases, and automation is less robust. For small businesses, understanding limitations helps set realistic expectations and plan for growth. We'll discuss the main limitations of Airtable and Notion. Choosing the best tool depends on your business scenario. Airtable is ideal for teams needing structured data, automation, and integrations. Notion suits businesses focused on documentation, content planning, and flexible organization. For small businesses, aligning tool strengths with needs ensures maximum value. We'll outline scenarios where each platform excels. Migrating from one platform to another can be challenging. Airtable and Notion both offer import-export tools, but data structure differences may require manual adjustments. For small businesses, planning migration ensures data integrity and minimizes disruption. We'll discuss migration strategies and tips for a smooth transition. Future developments can impact tool selection. Airtable and Notion regularly update features and expand integrations. Keeping an eye on product roadmaps helps small businesses anticipate changes and stay competitive. We'll highlight upcoming features and trends to watch for in both platforms. Let's summarize the key differences and similarities between Airtable and Notion. Airtable excels in structured data, automation, and integrations, while Notion offers flexible content, documentation, and collaboration. Both platforms are user-friendly, scalable, and secure. For small businesses, the choice depends on workflow needs and priorities. We'll recap the main points to help you make an informed decision. In conclusion, both Airtable and Notion are excellent tools for small businesses, but your choice should reflect your unique needs. If your business relies on structured data, automation, and integrations, Airtable is likely the better fit. If you prioritize documentation, content planning, and flexible organization, Notion may be the way to go. Consider your workflow, team preferences, and growth plans before making a decision. Whichever you choose, both platforms can help your business thrive.